Bawat buhay, may kanya-kanyang kwento. May mga laban na panalo, at mga laban na patuloy pa ring tinatamo. Pero minsan, mas madaling ipanalo ang laban kapag may sandalan.
Uy! Andun na si Kuya! Ay!
Let's go. So mga anak, kwento naman kayo. What's the biggest achievement that happened to you this year?
My biggest achievement this year is that I finally got promoted.
Ako naman, master teacher na. Nakaka-stress pero kinaya.
Very good.
Ikaw, Jay. This year, my biggest achievement is that I survived. And that's more than enough, anak.
Dahil ang bawat araw na kinakaya mo, ay isa na ring panalo.
Cheers to the battle we fought this year.
Kasama mo sa bawat talo at panalo. Genova. A cling through it all.